Luxury meets precision. Craftsmanship connects the globe. Yibi Group, 16 years in high-end hardware, does R&D production of high-end fashion jewelry, luxury leather hardware, MIM precision hardware components, as China's only supplier fully certified by LVMH. Kering and Richemont, top 3 luxury groups. For end-to-end collaboration, Yibi strictly follows ISO 9001, IATF16949 quality systems, has obtained certifications including RJC, GRS and RCS, LVMH Group FFC Audit, and Semeta 4P Social Responsibility, end-to-end standardized operations. Its 3-year delivery zero defect rate, 0.01%, far above industry standards, built a team of over 80 senior engineers, providing end-to-end technical support from design to inspection, and breaking production barriers with technology. Set up 2 smart production bases in Dongguan and Shenzhen, covering over 50,000 square meters. They are equipped with world-class processing equipment, trained 1,000 professionally trained craftsmen. In 2024 alone, delivered over 30 million products to the world's top 3 luxury groups. Yibi focuses on clients' core needs, using efficient custom services to shorten product R&D cycles, reduce production risks, boost their market competitiveness, and earn consistent client praise. Guided by excellence, altruism, lean innovation, Yibi creates products beyond expectations, making the world better with master craftsmanship.